There is a lot of excitement in the mid-range smartphone space since the Samsung Galaxy A55 is coming soon. The possibility of this mid-budget smartphone king is creating a lot of excitement because of leaks and rumors that suggest it will be a feature-rich gadget at an affordable price. With its beautiful display, adaptable camera setup, and durable battery, the A55 is all set to create waves in the tough mid-range market. So let's get into the video to know more about the rumor of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A55. The Samsung Galaxy A55, expected to make its European debut on March 11, 2024 with a starting price of €449, is stirring excitement in the mid-range smartphone segment. Positioned as a potential mid-budget smartphone king, this upcoming phone packs a feature set that could shake up the market. Let's delve deeper into the rumored specifications, potential pricing, and whispers surrounding its release. The Galaxy A55 is expected to boast a large 6.5-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive viewing experience. Smooth scrolling and exceptional responsiveness are promised by the rumored 120Hz refresh rate, catering to gamers and users who value a fluid visual experience. Under the hood, the Exynos 1480 processor is rumored to power the device. This processor aims to deliver efficient performance for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and streaming. While not a powerhouse, it should handle light gaming and multitasking with ease. Photography enthusiasts might find themselves drawn to the versatile triple camera system on the back. The main sensor, rumored to be 50 megapixels, should capture sharp and detailed photos in most lighting conditions. An additional 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor could be ideal for capturing expansive landscapes or group shots, while a 5-megapixel macro sensor might be useful for close-up shots of objects with intricate details. Additionally, the rumored 32-megapixel front-facing camera caters to selfie lovers and video calls. The Galaxy A55 is expected to house a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you can stay connected and powered throughout the day. This, coupled with the rumored efficient processor, could translate to excellent battery life, minimizing the need for frequent charging. Additionally, the phone is said to support 25 watts fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. The Galaxy A55 is expected to come out of the box running the latest Android 14 operating system, offering the latest features and security updates. Samsung's user-friendly One UI 6 interface is also rumored to be present, providing a familiar and customizable user experience. While the base model might come with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable with a micro SD card slot, rumors suggest a higher-end configuration with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage might also be offered. This would allow users who require more processing power and storage space for demanding tasks or extensive media storage. The European launch of the Galaxy A55 is expected on March 11, 2024 with a starting price of €449. However, it is important to note that this information is based on leaks and rumors. The final specifications, features, release date, and pricing might differ upon official confirmation from Samsung. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A55, based on the whispers and leaks, presents itself as a compelling option in the mid-range smartphone segment. Its large display, capable processor, versatile camera system, long-lasting battery, and latest software could make it a strong contender for users seeking a feature-packed phone at a competitive price point. However, it's crucial to wait for official confirmation from Samsung before making any purchasing decisions, as the final details might differ. Thanks for watching.